Tanny Cooks here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a strawberry spinach pasta salad with the most delicious vinaigrette using peach whiskey. Yes, y'all, peach whiskey. You don't want to miss this recipe. So let's get to cooking. To start off with, I am going to use some dry bow tie pasta, just a couple of handfuls, about a pound of strawberries, and a few handfuls of organic spinach. I'm also using Parmesan cheese and assorted seasonings, including garlic, herb, salt, cilantro. And for our vinaigrette, we have honey, mustard, lemon, and peach whiskey, y'all, Crown Royal. This is so delicious. So to get started, I'm going to boil my pasta. Salt your water, let it come to a boil, and then add your noodles. I'm using organic baby spinach. This is a 16-ounce container, but I'm not using all of it. Even though it's organic, I'm still going to wash it with water and white vinegar and then dry it off completely. I have these beautiful strawberries that I'm also going to wash in the vinegar and water. So now that that's done, my pasta has completed cooking. So I have cold water running in the background and I'm just draining my pasta. And once it gets dry, I'm going to add it to my salad bowl. So here I have my cooked bow tie pasta, and I'm using the garlic herb Kingsford seasoning. Very delicious with assorted seasonings. I like cilantro leaves. I'm adding onion salt and black pepper. You can change up the seasonings to your personal taste buds and liking. So now I'm just adding my clean spinach to my pasta that's cooled down. And next up, we need to chop and slice our strawberries. So I have my strawberries on my cutting board, and I'm just going to cut the tops off of them and then slice them in half. It's just that simple. If you wanted to chop up your strawberries into smaller pieces, you certainly could do that, but I like the presentation of strawberry halves. And these were super sweet. I was excited to find these. Sometimes berries can be hit or miss in the store. But here we go, spinach, strawberries, and pasta. So now let's add the vinaigrette. Before we do that though, I'm gonna start off with some lemon. I like squeezing lemon onto any fruit that I cut just to keep it fresh and keep it from discoloring. Although that's not usually a problem with strawberries, I just like to do it to give the nice acidity to it. So now I'm just gonna give it a light toss so that the lemon juice is throughout my salad bowl. Beautiful. Now it's time for the vinaigrette, y'all. So I'm using some orange blossom honey. You can use any honey of your choice. This is Dijon mustard and Crown Royal. It's peach, y'all. I was drinking this night and I thought, well, this would go good in my vinaigrette. So we need some acidity, so I'm going to use more lemon juice. So there are no exact measurements. Just start off with a tablespoon. So I'm doing a tablespoon of honey, a tablespoon of mustard, and then a tablespoon of my liqueur, which is actually just plain liquor. But once you get those three mixed, and then squeeze a little bit of lemon juice in it, give it a stir and then taste it. And if you feel like you need more mustard or more lemon, then add it, or more honey. So this really is a customizable salad dressing. So give it a whisk. It has a beautiful color. I'm adding more flavor by adding cilantro leaves. If you don't like cilantro, you don't have to add it. I'm not adding garlic powder, onion powder, but if you wanted to, you could. Instead, I'm just using onion salt, and every salad needs a little bit of black pepper. And so now that we have our vinaigrette mix, and I like it to my taste buds, so now I'm just going to toss it in my salad. You want to save the vinaigrette, pour until you're just about to eat your salad. I also shaved my Parmesan cheese block with a vegetable peeler, and that's on top. So this is a very delicious salad, and it's kind of unique. It's not the typical pasta salad. So try the recipe out and let me know in the comments how you like it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.